Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today, I've got something really exciting for those of you who play Grow a Garden, especially if you've been wanting to level up your gameplay by running custom scripts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a keyless kernel executor that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Yes, you heard that right. No key system required. That means you can start running your favorite scripts without the usual hassle of hunting down keys or entering verification codes. Let me show you what I mean. On my Android phone right here, I've already got the executor installed and it's working beautifully. I can run any script I want without lag, without errors, and without needing to constantly re-verify anything. It's smooth, fast, and super easy to use. But here's the really cool part. It's not just limited to Android. I've also tested this exact same executor on my iOS device, and it works just as well. Take a look at my iPhone screen. You can see it running right now, no issues at all. This is honestly one of the easiest and most reliable ways to run scripts on mobile that I've come across so far. If you're someone who's been searching for a working method that doesn't waste your time or require advanced skills, then this is definitely for you. Just make sure to watch the video closely and follow along step by step. I'll walk you through exactly how to get it installed and running on your own phone. Alright, now that you know what's possible, let's get right into the tutorial so you can start using this keyless kernel executor and Grow a Garden today. Trust me, you're going to love how easy and powerful it is. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. Rocketmods is a crazy website where you can find many apps and games. Once you are on the website, search for kernel and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.